Hi class, hope you all are doing pretty well. I'm Asia, your mathematics teacher. As you know, previous classes we learned how to count and write numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And today we are going to talk about a number that comes after number 5. Who knows what's that number? Who can tell me? Good job, number 6. It is number 6 that comes after number 5. This is number 6. And now let's count. Let's know how many bees do we have. Let's find out. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many bees do we have so? 6 bees. Good job. Let's count once more again all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. Now we have 6 bees. How many? 6 bees. How many? 6. Very good. And what's that number? Number 6. What? Number 6. Good job. This is number 6. Okay. This is number 6. And now let's take a look at the data show. Look, this is number 1. We studied previous classes. Number 1, I told you that we have one sun, one moon, one nose, one mouth. This is number 1. After number 1, we have number 2. We have 2 eyes. 1, 2. 2 arms. 1, 2. 2 legs. 1, 2. And 2 feet. Number 3. As you know, this is triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Number 4. How many legs does cow have? And how many legs does dog have? What about donkey? What about horse? They all have 4 legs. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have 4 legs. Look at this birthday cake. How many candles are there on this birthday cake? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 candles on this birthday cake. And after 5, I told you we have number 6. Look at these insects. How many legs does each one have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It has 6 legs. And what about this one? Let's count. Let's know and find out how many legs does this insect have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It has 6 legs as well. So they both have 6 legs. 6 legs. And now let's watch this video. Let's watch a video all together. Let's watch this video and count and find out how many apples does this tree have. 1. 'Good job. And now we have some balls here. Let's count them all together, okay? Are you ready to start? Ready? I'm waiting for you. Good, so let's get started. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, how many balls do we have in this basket? 6 balls. How many? Good job. We have 6 balls. Again, once more, tell me how many balls do we have in this basket? Amazing. 6. Very good. We have 6 balls. Okay. And now let's play a game. I show you some numbers. You have to guess what are these numbers. You have to tell me the name, okay? Okay, so are you ready to start? I'm waiting for you. Ready? Good job. So let's get started. Tell me, what's this number? What? 0. Very good. Number 0. And what about this one? What's this number? Number 1. Good job. Number 1. And that one. What is this number? Number 2. Excellent. And what is that one? Number 3. Good job. And this one? Number 4. Good. This one? Number 5. Amazing. It is number 5, which has a fat belly. And that one, the last one, our today's number, it is number, come on, all of you. Tell me all together. What is this number? Number 6. Very good. Number 6. Good job. Okay, guys, that was all for today. We studied number 6, we studied number 6. And tomorrow, we learn how to write number 6. It's so fun. I hope you have enjoyed it. And bye-bye.